This family farm has been milking cows since 1886. In 2013, a robotic barn was constructed. The cows are not tied. They are able to choose when they want to eat and when they want to be milked. There are 2 robots in the barn. Each robot can milk up to 60 cows a day. Information from each robot is sent to a complex computer system in the office. The cows each wear a special neckband to identify them to the robot. All the information from each cow's progress is available through reports that are run daily on this computer. When they want to be milked, they approach the robot. As soon as the previous cow is done being milked, they can enter. The milk is pumped from robots directly to a tank in another part of the barn. Here it is filtered and quickly cooled to 4 degrees Celsius. This tank holds 11,400 liters of milk. The milk truck driver empties the tank every second day with a huge hose that is attached to the bottom of the tank. The milk is sampled and taken to the dairy. Twice a day, the tractor pulls the feed mixture through the barn and dumps feed in front of the cows. It is special ration of homegrown corn and hay. The cow grazes on this, but as they eat, it gets pushed farther away and becomes hard to reach. However, the feed pushing robot makes its trip around the barn every hour to clean things up and make reaching the ration easier. Newborn calves housed in hutches outside the barn. Here they are fed their mother's colostrum for a few days, then switched to a milk replacer. The youngest calves drink from a bottle, but when they are a little older, they drink from the colored pails. This has been a quick sneak peek into a day at a dairy farm. As you can see, the cows are pretty mellow and content in their surroundings. We hope you now have a better understanding of the modern dairy operation.